Well, it's the start of the new year, and that means I need to go into my attic and go through stuff. So this is kind of like what I call my overflow. I forgot about it and I couldn't reach it. So a while ago, hurt my back, and I haven't been up here in over a year. Started cleaning, wound up in the attic, and then realized, oh yeah, I got some junk up here. So let's go through this junk, show you what I got, and see if anything's actually useful. So I'm first going to start with this box over here. And I found this, and I guess this was the old Pentium 4 project that I did. It's actually HD 2600 Pro. I actually don't think that's the card that's in here. Yeah, it's definitely not the card. This one is a 9600 SE. I love this graphics card. This was actually my go-to for a long time. Mostly because I didn't have money, and it worked really good. Played a lot of Need for Speed Underground and Underground 2 with it. Let's see, what else? Memory, so this is 256 PC 3200 non-ECC. Believe it or not, stuff can come in handy. Gosh, what else do I got in here? Some CPU, which I can't read because it's incredibly dark. DVD drive, a light scribe. Ooh, this thing is dirty. Look at that dirt on there. That's pretty intense. IDE. This one's a SATA. How big is this? 160 gigs. Nice. Not sure what I'm going to do with all this stuff. I might just get rid of it. It's time to turn it. Found this box, and if I'm honest with you folks, I don't remember how I got this stuff. It's been so long since I've been up here. So this one is 2.6 gigs, 512 Xeon, 533 second. Yeah. Comes with the cooler. Take a look at this cooler. Foxconn. I think it would go like that. That's the mounting for it. Man. Destructions too? Holy moly. I'm going to assume that this is the CPU, and I do apologize for the lighting because it's the only light that I've installed in my attic. The plan is, I've actually started a catwalk to go all the way down there. That's actually how I run my HDMI cables through the wall, the Ethernet cables, and I plan to keep putting lights like every couple of feet down there. That way when I have to work down there, it's a lot easier. And also in my house, all my electrical, as you can see, is ran through the attic. So I got access down there, but limited lighting, but I need to keep going more with lighting. But anyways, so that's that. Now, let's go over there and see what else we got. All right, so these two cases, let's first see what I got in these boxes. Because that kind of tells me a lot. I totally forgot I had this. This is a dash cam. I believe the father-in-law sent it to me 2 years ago. Hopefully he doesn't watch this video and realize that, yeah. Sorry, Pops. Forgot to install that. What is this one? I think it's the same thing, but this box feels heavier. Holy moly. That is a ton of memory. Wow. Don't remember this. Or if I do, I just kind of got it and threw it up here. There's some more memory up here. Man. I think some of this is that RDRAM memory, if I'm not mistaken. That RDRAM for the Pentium 4 days, those things were so stinking expensive. You had to run them like in a channel or together or something like that, but it was expensive and also very short-lived. But when it worked, it worked. Wow. So this one, I think it's an NZXT case, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe? It might be. Yeah, designed by NZXT. 2 DVD drives. Had some work done on my roof not too long ago, and yeah, got a little dusty up here. That's a really cool case. All the stuff right over there. Pretty nice. I am going to keep this. Don't know what I'm going to do with it or my purpose for it, but it is a really cool case, so this will stay. This guy right over here is actually one of my favorites. Yeah, sealed it up because I took the power supply out of it. But for the most part, I don't even have a screwdriver. It's a Pentium 4, and I think it has that graphics card. What is it? The HD 2600 Pro. I think that card is in here. And this is a really cool rig. So one day it will join the collection downstairs because I got a Pentium 3 that I like. I use all the time. That's my dedicated Windows 98 one. And this one, I'd like to make it my XP one, but yeah, don't have enough space. But we'll get there one day. And let's see what else we got. Ooh, that was heavy. That was heavy. Manuals. Little vise. Yeah, for my old truck tailgate handle. Might come in handy or something. I don't even think I have that truck anymore now that I think about it. Yeah. And a whole bunch of clips and stuff. Holy crap. Folks, sometimes I get things and I don't know why I get them. So, I think that's all the computer stuff I have. That's just more car parts, baby stuff, clothes. I got a ton of purging to do, but figured I'd show you that, yeah, the attic, I keep computer junk up here too, and good to know that I have these. I didn't know I had that case, but we could definitely rehome that and future plans for that one. So, all right, well, we'll see what we come up with next.